So first off, sorry, I hunted these hogs about a month ago. I should have came out with the content a little bit right after, got caught up. So I'm gonna just show you a real quick clip of me shooting them, whatever, and I'm gonna show you how I cook them, get them ready. So check it out.
You guys let him have it.
I'm out. I'm out. Oh, this one.
You shot him.
1 second, don't shoot. No, that's a hard angle.
Okay.
That's a hard angle. Switch back.
Okay.
On safe. You guys can both have at him if you want. No matter to me. Oh, separate, sucker. Whatever one you want. There you go. Nice shot. Woo!
Thank you.
Pick up on his ears. Just stand up. Yep. There you go. Nice shoot. Make sure it's safe. Good job. You guys want to keep shooting or you're good? Get ready, get ready. Nope. Yeah, perfect. He's done. You can light him up if you want though. Go ahead and stand up and you can fill that head full of lead if you want.
So guys, this is the part 2 video that I'm sure you guys were waiting on, where we actually prepare the meat. We're gonna cook it. I'm not gonna cook it right away. It's been sitting in the cooler for a day. As you can see here, you got hairs that I rinsed it off. You would think that it's just dirty, but this is hair that has gone through. It's in this it's in part of the silver skin. So I gotta clean all that off, take all the silver skin off, clean it real good. I'm gonna clean it in vinegar, and I'm actually let it marinate with sour orange. It's what and Nicaraguans, we use that to marinate our meat. I know you're probably thinking, oh, this is gross, but all the meat that you have at some point looked like this until the butcher cleaned it up. So I'm gonna clean this up, remove all of this. I'm gonna clean it real well in sour orange vinegar, rinse it out real good. I'm gonna freeze it, get it ready. I'm gonna grill it, but this part of the video, obviously it's the next day after I hunted. So I'm gonna wait a couple of days. I'm gonna grill it. So I'm sure in this next slide you're gonna see me actually preparing it. But this is what we get. This is the tenderloin, or the back strap as you would say. Got this thick layer of silver skin with it. You can see some hair in it. We'll get rid of that. You see it just comes right off. Just pluck it right off. See? Just gotta clean it real well. I want to prepare it, guys. All right. So you see, guys, this is the silver skin. I don't have the sharpest knife. I'm gonna do my best with this knife. Get this off. I guess with a fillet knife, you'll be able to get this silver skin off. This silver skin is what has some of the hair still attached to it. So let's try to get this off. I'm not gonna record this whole thing. You guys get the point. I'm trying to take this off. My knife ain't that sharp. I'm gonna be doing a little work. All right. Let's see if we can get this off. Guys, when you do this, make sure you get a good knife. So this is what we got now. That's all the skin and all the fat. If you don't get rid of that stuff, it's gonna make your meat taste gamey. I try to get as much. Obviously you see little small spots. I'm not gonna go crazy about that. You see little small pieces. If you're nitpicky, you just peel these little pieces off. As you can see, I got most of it off. This discoloration is only because of the ice, so it's not silver skin. It's kind of sitting in the ice, and ice kind of melted. Yeah, I know in the camera it looks like it might be silver skin, but it's not. It's just the what is it called? Deoxidizing. But I cleaned them up, all right? It has a little bit you can smell. That's not just some pork you get from the store. So if you're watching this and it's your first time, you could smell. It doesn't stink. It doesn't, oh, it's gross. It's like, it's hard to explain. It has its own little smell to it. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to prepare it and get it ready. I know some people let it marinate for hours or whatever. I'm not doing that. I'm just cleaning it so I can freeze it. And then when I'm ready to cook it, which you'll see in a little, which I'm going to do this weekend, I'm going to prepare it. But just so I can clean it real good, I'm going to rinse it off in some water. Oh, matter of fact, I'm going to rinse it off right now. There you got this here. Some cold water. Rinse off any residue. So I'm going to cut the video. I'm going to rinse it off. Then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to clean it a second time. Just to kill out any blood, any off flavor. Obviously, when I prepare it, I'm going to let it marinate in the Nicaraguan marinade. But you guys get the idea. I might cut up a little more and stuff to clean it up. All right. All right, I rinsed it a second time, got all the vinegar and sour orange off of it. I patted it dry because I don't want, as it's freezing with vinegar fluid or any kind of fluid. So I re-rinsed it out with water, cold water, patted it dry, put it in these Ziploc bags. I'm gonna freeze them, and then when I'm ready to cook them, I'm gonna season them. All right. We just pulled up to the park. Weather's nice. Get this grill cleaned up. Show you guys how this hog backstrap tastes. We made it Cajun style. We got burgers as backup, just in case something goes wrong. Got my boy Freddie on there. What's up, YouTube? All right. Got the grill going. Just wait for those charcoals to get white. We're good to go. What do you think, buddy? Ready to eat some wild game? Coals are almost white, almost ready to go. So I forgot to bring my thermometer to check the internal temperature. I might have to be just consistently checking it. If not, I wouldn't want to be opening it so all the juices come out. So bear with me. I'm not a professional cook. I'm a pretty good cook. I'm not a professional cook. So tenderloin, I know pork you want to definitely be over 165. So you might see me opening it up. All right, y'all, got the grill going. That flame is a little high, but here we go. If it sears too quick, I'll take it off. Wait for the fire to come down. So you flipped it over. If you see it's a little dry, I'll be basting it a little. I just don't want the flames to go crazy. We're adding some of this bayou butter. You can see the pork pork's getting dry, you keep basting it so it's not dry. Let that be there. Alright, let's flip it over. Put some butter on that other side. Oh, shit. That'll keep the meat nice and moist. We'll add a little bit at the end. So I cut it. Looks a little pink. Don't want to play with pork. Get a little bit more and we should be good to go. That's the wild hog right there. Louisiana style, Cajun style hog backstrap. I'm gonna wrap it in aluminum foil. Let the juices spread out. Then I'm gonna cut into it. All right, I'm gonna cut into this. Nice and white. Sorry guys, my knife is not that sharp. So you can see it's juicy because of the butter, but very lean meat. Let's see what our boy Freddy thinks.
Be the tester. First time trying hog.
Oh, it is juicy.
It's like chicken, bro.
Really?
No, more like pork. Pork. It's juicy. Good.
Is any off flavor?
No,
None at all. It tastes like regular pork.
like pork, yeah.
So what would you tell people? Say, oh, hog is nasty. It tastes gross. It tastes wild.
No, it's good.
You ready to try, babe? Let's see what
It's like really chewy.
Let's see what wifey thinks.
It's good.
Has enough flavor?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want him eating that. I don't want him eating pork.
Super chewy.
Now the chef gets to critique it. I would have pulled it out a little sooner, but you live and you learn.
Honest review.
It's good. I overcooked it a little bit, so it's a little chewy. It's supposed to be tender.
But once you bite into it, like,
Oh, it tastes just like
tastes
regular
good,
pork.
yeah.
And then I the sour orange that I put on it, it kills any wild flavor, any off flavor. So, and I had a male. It wasn't a female, I had a male, so that's testosterone, so. Alright guys, my first hog. Next time I gotta have my thermometer, so I make sure I pull it out a little earlier. Nonetheless, it's pretty good. Pretty good.